Hi, I'm Dan with Honeymooners Off-Road Adventures, and today I'm going to show you how to replace a pole. We have actually broken a few poles, and to wind damage, we got a hold of ShiftPod. Customer service at shiftpod.com is where you need to go, and they will send you a link to fill out for replacement parts. And then you just take a couple of pictures of the broken parts and email that in with that form. And then, like for us, they sent the parts for free. They didn't charge us, which I was really surprised for because I thought it was personal damage. But in any case, in order to replace them, basically all you got to do is grab this and twist this out. It comes apart, and then there's kind of like this little gasket thing right here. And then they just pop out and then pull them out. So then when you go to replace them, it's just the opposite, of course. Slide it into the pocket first, because you'll never get it in there if you did the centerpiece first. And put the parts in there like that. Slide the gasket on, and then screw this piece on. Now if you ever need to replace this part, because we had to do that with our roof when the little pieces here busted out on right here. You can see where it all busted out on, so it didn't have the pocket, so I had to actually replace it. So the way that worked is that basically I had my wife on the outside with a pair of adjustable pliers, and she grabbed around the base of it and squeeze tight, because otherwise it'll just sit there and twist. And then you just grab this whole base piece here that you saw that was back there that the poles come into. You just grab on that and it'll just unscrew. And then you just screw the other one back in, and then just put all the poles back in the way I just showed you. All right, that's all I have for you today. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit the like and the subscribe button down below, and we'll see you on the next video.